Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Diwali is almost here. We all know how hard it is to keep the lamps going. We have to keep refilling the oil, make sure the fire doesn't go out. It's a lot of work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wireless electric diya that you can make in about 2 minutes. Now let's look at the things you'll need. A terracotta lamp, a coin-sized battery, an LED diode and some tape. For the lamp, you can use something bright and colorful like this green one right here, or a basic one would work just fine. I would recommend using a bright lamp because what is Diwali without some color, guys? The next thing you will need is this coin-sized lithium battery. It is the size of a 1 rupee coin. You can get this in the nearest electrical shop, or if you wish to buy it online, check out the Amazon link in description. You pretty much can buy a strip for about 10 to 20 rupees. It is very inexpensive and lasts really long for the price. While you're still at the store, please ask for a 5mm LED diode. They come in different colors. I chose the orangey warm white one because it is the closest to an actually lit diya. If you're into other colors, go crazy, there are no rules. In fact, I may go back and get myself some colors because why not? And the last thing you will need is some regular scotch tape. Now we are all set. Pick up the diode and hold it horizontally. You will notice a longer leg, which is the positive side, and a shorter leg, which is the negative side. Now take the battery in the other hand and make sure the positive side of the battery is touching the longer side of the diode. Hold it tight and it should light up like this. We're almost there, guys. Now quickly cut a piece of tape about this size and secure it carefully around it like this. Once you've secured it tightly, place the light inside the lamp. But before doing so, bend the diode a little bit so that it sits perfectly. Now, we both agree the visible battery is not a pretty sight. My simple solution to that is adding a bunch of fresh flowers. Just use any flower for this purpose and the battery is completely hidden. You can use your creativity to come up with interesting ideas to display the diyas. Let me show you an example real quick. And that's how easy it is. The best part is you can use this outdoors without worrying about wind or rains or any kind of bad weather. Here's a couple of more ideas for your inspiration. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content from me. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next video.